Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 a scam, or is it actually worth your money? Let's get straight to the point. The Osmo Pocket 4 is absolutely real, and officially launched on April 16, 2026. It's the legitimate successor to the beloved Pocket 3, and DJI themselves have confirmed it on their social channels. So, no, the device itself isn't a scam. But here's where it gets tricky. There are of scammers trying to cash in on the hype. Some websites like DJIUS.com and weird lookalikes are straight-up phishing sites. They'll take your money and never send you a camera. Marketplace listings? If you see a Pocket 4 for under $300 from some random Facebook or AliExpress seller, run. That's almost definitely a scam, especially since official US sales are still delayed thanks to regulatory issues. Anyone saying they're an official US distributor right now is probably lying. Now, is the Pocket 4 worth it? If you already have the Pocket 3, I'd say only upgrade if you absolutely need the new 4K at 240 frames per second, or you're after that next level ActiveTrack 7.0. For everyone else, especially if you're new to this kind of camera, the Pocket 4 is kind of a beast. It's got a 1-inch sensor, 14 stops of dynamic range, built-in 107GB storage, and a bigger battery that can last up to 240 minutes. Not bad for a vlogging tool that fits in your pocket. Pricing's pretty standard for new gear. $409 for the standard combo, $649 for the creator set. Bottom line? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is legit, but scammers are everywhere. Always buy through trusted retailers like Best Buy or B&H Photo, and never from sketchy sites. Stay smart, shoot sharp, and don't get scammed.